Welcome back to part 2 of our heat and temperature lesson. So, in the previous video, we discussed how heat can change the temperature of an object. So, in this video, we're going to see how heat can change the state of an object. Alright, let's dive in. So, what happens when you heat or cool something? Well, adding or removing heat can actually change the state of matter. That means something can go from solid to liquid or liquid to gas just by playing with heat. Let's take ice for an example. If you heat it, it melts into water. And if you freeze it back again, it forms ice. Let's play a quick game. I'll show you a scenario and you tell me is heat added or removed. Ready? Let's go. Alright, cooking an egg. Heat is added. The egg changes as it cooks. Melting cheese. Heat added again. Adding ice to a drink. Oh, that's this time heat is removed. The ice cools down your drink by absorbing the heat from it. Remember, when something gets hotter, heat is added. When it cools down, heat is removed. Okay, this part is super interesting. When heat causes a change, sometimes it's reversible, meaning we can undo it. But other times it's irreversible. Once it's done, there's no going back. Let's look at reversible changes. Water heating into steam. That's a reversible change. You can cool steam back into water again. No problem. Same with ice. Melt it and it becomes water. Freeze it again and you got your ice back. But here's where things get serious. Let's say you cook an egg. Can you uncook it? Same with cooking beef patty. Once it's cooked, it changes forever. That's an irreversible change. Basically, if the object becomes something completely different from the initial state and can't go back to its original state, it is irreversible. So that's it from heat and temperature. Stay tuned for more videos from BrightMind Science.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to BrightMind Science for more fun science explorations.